Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make a fire equipments body in Solidworks software. So you are watching it. Okay. Now I am taking the new file. Then MMGS is selected. Top plane is taken. Go to the extruded boss. Select the circle and sketch it. It will be 30 millimeters. Exit it. It will be upwards 80 millimeters. Okay. Then go to the front plane. Normal sketch is selected. Go to the extruded boss. Click on the surface and taking the circle. Draw a circle. It will be 20 millimeters. Okay. Exit it. Then you are watching it. Now I am selecting the mid plane. It will be 60 millimeters and Mars result is signed. Then extruder card is selected. Click on the surface. Go to here. Normal plane is taken. Take the circle and it will be 25 millimeters. Exit it and through all is selected. Okay, done. Then again I am extruder card is selected. Click on the surface. Go to here. Normal plane is taken. Taking the circle and draw a circle. It will be 15 millimeters. Exit it and through all is selected. Okay, done. Then I am taking the extruded boss. Click on the surface. Go to here. Normal sketch is selected. Taking the circle and draw a circle up to this. Exit it. Then it will be only 5 millimeters upwards, 10 and 8 millimeters, so 10 millimeters. In similar way I am extruded boss is select here and click on the surface. Go to here. Normal plane is taken and taking a circle up to this. Exit it. Okay, 5 millimeters, 10 and it will be 10 millimeters also. Okay. Then extruder card is select again. Click on the surface. Go to here. Taking the circle and draw it. And it will be 3 millimeters. Okay, go to here and select the circular sketch. And it will be 12 numbers of circle. Click. Exit it. Then through all is select. No.